In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Klaviyo in Shopify. This process connects your store with Klaviyo, so you can start using email marketing and SMS tools with your Shopify customer and order data. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you are logged in to the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are on the main admin screen, go to the top search bar. Click into it and type Klaviyo. As you type, Shopify will show search suggestions and results. Look for the option that says Search for Klaviyo in the Shopify App Store and select that link. This takes you to the App Store listing results, where you can choose the official app. In the results, find and click Klaviyo Email Marketing and SMS. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct app, since choosing the official listing helps avoid confusion with similarly named tools. On the app page, click the Install button. Shopify will then show an authorization screen that explains what access the app is requesting. This is normal because Klaviyo needs permission to connect with your store data. When you are ready to proceed, select Install again on that authorization screen to complete the Shopify side of the installation. Next, you will be taken to Klaviyo to log in. In the Login field, enter your email address, then click Continue. After that, enter your password and click Login. Be sure you are using the correct Klaviyo account for your business, so the right store connects to the right workspace. Once you are logged in, you will see a welcome screen. Select the Integrate Shopify button. This confirms the connection between Klaviyo and your Shopify store and begins finalizing the setup. Finally, click the Finish button in the bottom right corner to complete the integration. After you finish, you can return to your Shopify admin or stay in Klaviyo to continue setup. At this point, the app is installed and your integration is in place. And that covers everything you need to know.